What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This knife was sent by the pass-around group that I'm involved with, so I appreciate that. That means that by extension it was most likely sent by the manufacturer. Every now and then it's somebody, one of the other YouTube channels that's associated with the group. It's one of their own personal knives. I believe this one was sent by the manufacturer, so I appreciate that. But I don't get to keep it, so it shouldn't affect anything. We're going to be doing this unboxing today with the legendary Spyderco Shaman. You guys know it's one of my favorite knives of all time. Very recommendable. And speaking of recommendable knives, if you'd like to check this out or any of the other knives that I recommend, pull open my description and check out my Amazon store. You can also check out Redbubble for merch, Patreon if you want to support the channel, my sister channel Silent Complex, subscribe to Silent Complex, and lots of individual links for individual knives. But if you go to the store, you can actually check out everything that I recommend and everything that I like, as well as popular stuff. It's all been nicely sorted out so that you can go through here and find what you're looking for, or just browse if you're looking for something new. Scratch your itch. I know that's why you're watching my channel. Let's go ahead and get into this box here. Be very careful cutting into this because oftentimes there is stuff sitting near the edge and I don't want to cut into it. And we have a WE knife. I always just get excited for WE knives because they just knock it out of the park. They're so good at what they do. Here we go. What do we have? Okay, that's different. Oh yeah, okay, I remember seeing a picture of this. What model? Hang on. Model. Where are we? Are we right here? Nope. Is it? Yeah, here we go. This is the 922A Hesate. That's a word that I'm unfamiliar with. Gray tie handle, stonewash finish, CBM 20 CV blade. Hey, I'm a big fan of all that stuff. So check this out. I'm not sure what pattern you'd call that. Nice tumbling on the blade there. Looks like we're working with T8 hardware, so that's nice. I love WE's show side logo. It's cool. This little guy right here is a little bit strange, and I'm tempted to... Okay, you can use it. Hold on. I can get it. Hang on, guys. There we go. Interesting. It's very odd looking. But it's got a good feel, and it's got pretty good balance. I think it's wanting to hang out right there. Okay, so right there. Titanium frame, no milling. Oh no, there's a little bit of milling there on the inside. Ooh, super smooth action. Nice flipping action too. I mean, that's what people want to know. Does it flip well? Yeah, it flips well. It's a WE. Ridiculously smooth action. Awesome blade too. It's kind of a sheep's foot blade. Comes to a nice point there and nice belly. I'm going to guess that that's probably more, that looks to be like a 9-inch folding knife. Yeah, that's a big boy. I do actually have a section for WE knives, both as an individual links down in the description and on my store. I have a section for WE knives. So if you want to check this knife out or other WE knives, you know, like I said, check out that link. But this is pretty cool. I'm excited to talk about it, and I appreciate WE Knives sending this guy along so that I can take a look. I think that's going to be pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.